I know for a fact that you are scared. You are so scared of trying something new. You are so scared of starting that business that you have had in mind for years now. You are so scared of changing jobs. You're so scared of applying to that dream job of yours. Maybe you think that you do not have qualifications to. You are so scared of starting that YouTube channel. For instance, you have heard stories of people telling you how much YouTube has changed their lives, but you are so scared of getting up and just doing what you have been having in mind or what you've been dreaming of. I know that. I know that we all have been there. It took me, I don't know how long for me to sit down here and record myself and start talking to you guys. It is normal. We are all scared of trying something new. We are all scared of being vulnerable. We are all scared of failing. We do not have it all figured out. But you know what? You need to stop sitting on your dreams right now, hoping that some magic would happen for you and you can one day just to wake up magically, like things will just happen for you. No, darling, you need to get up and start doing. That is why in today's video, I am bringing you 4 side hustles. Yes, 4 side hustles that you can start right now in Africa, in South Africa, wherever that you are. You can start these side hustles online, and hopefully if you do it right and you put all your energy and everything that you got, I tell you, you will see success and you can start making money like I'm talking about. Let's say a minimum of $500 to $1,000, $2,000 a month. And you know what, before I break down these 4 side hustles, you know what, the fact that you're scared right now, it is absolutely healthy. It is absolutely normal. You should be so much scared of not succeeding than trying. You should be so much scared of not doing the things that you want. You should be so scared of growing old and realizing that you missed out on so much opportunities in front of you and you didn't live up to your dreams. You didn't live to fulfill the dreams that you have. And yeah, guys, I just hope that after watching this video, you get inspired and start creating that channel that you have been dreaming of and start sharing your knowledge with others and start that business, that small business that you have had in mind, whether it's just a passion of yours or it is a full-blown business, whatever. I promise you, and I am rooting for you, you will be successful. These side hustles that I'll be sharing, they are practical, they are scalable, and they are already proven to work for people who are committed and who take action, the right action. So with that being said, let's jump into the first side hustle, which is probably by now you know that it is my favorite. This is my favorite side hustle, affiliate marketing. Yes, so basically, affiliate marketing involves promoting somebody else's products or service and earning a commission when somebody buys through your unique referral link. So with affiliate marketing, you get a link that you will promote to people, and people will buy, will click your link, and then you can make a commission. So this is so powerful because you do not need to create or manage any products. You do not need any inventory, and no customer service is needed from you, and there is potential for passive income if you do it right. So all you gotta do is direct the right people to that product and you get money. So this one works best when you're promoting products that you already love, that you genuinely use and believe in, that you personally use. And this is super if they are offering recurring commissions, which means that you get paid every month a person is subscribed. So let's say you promoting a subscription based product like a software, or let's say tools, or anything that is a monthly recurring. You also get commissions every month that person is subscribed. If they cancel their subscription, that means you also lose what? Your commissions. For instance, let's say you find a software tool that you love or that you use and it costs, let's say $100, or okay, let's say 500 rand, right, a month, or let's say 200 rand a month, and then that software offers 60% commission or 80% commission, whatever the the issue, and you know that 80% is going right into your pockets. So just imagine you have like 100 people, 10 people, and you're getting 80% commission from whatever amount of that tool is. That means you get good money. That is good money there. Imagine like 100 people, and you are getting from one person, let's say you are getting 300 rand. That's good money, guys. And with affiliate marketing, you can scale very well, and especially if you combine it with content platforms like YouTube or blogging or email newsletters or wherever, where products can be recommended naturally, where you can just naturally, So this gets us to our side hustle number 2, which is going to be YouTube business. Yes, you need to start a YouTube business because you know what? The beauty of YouTube is that it offers multiple streams of income. Like I said, with affiliate marketing, we have affiliate marketing, we have coaching services, we have people doing selling their digital products on YouTube. We have got a lot sponsorships as well. So you know what, starting and growing a YouTube channel is one of the most powerful ways of building an online business. Don't sleep on this one. As long as you've got something interesting that you know about, that somebody else can find a value from, as long as you have got something that you are passionate about, you want to talk about, you want to show people as well, you know what, there's a lot of things that you right now who's watching me, you need to start building yourself small until you start growing. Whatever that you are passionate about, just creating content around whatever niche. Yeah, it's called a niche. Whatever niche, whether it's tech, whether it's beauty, it's finance, it's education, it's lifestyle, it's gossip, it's whatever, you can attract an audience, you can attract people who love you, and you can monetize with those methods that I've just told you about. If somebody had told me, like, I don't know how many years ago, that there's a platform that offers thousands, or that gives people money, to just show themselves up, I would have told you that you are crazy. I would have told you that whatever that you're smoking is not from this world. Because you know what? The beauty with YouTube is that it has got long-term growth potential. Channels are generating recurring income from content that continues to get views long after it has been published. So people are getting money from videos from 2 years ago, 5 years ago, wherever. As long as it's an evergreen niche, people keep searching for that. People keep searching for how to bake bread, or how to make money online, or how to remove blood stains from white clothes. People will keep searching for that. It's not something that is, so yeah, start building and growing a YouTube channel now, so that you do not miss out. And our third side hustle is going to be freelancing. So freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start earning money from home. So freelancing simply means offering your skills as a service to clients, whether that's writing, graphic design, that is video editing, social media management, web designs, or whatever skill that you have that can be provided to somebody else. You can start doing that. You can start building that as a business. And freelancing is especially great for people who are already in the creative space or the digital spaces. You already know how to edit videos. You already know how to do copywriting, right? This is a good opportunity for you to start making money from online. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, or you can just reach out to businesses directly, even on LinkedIn and Facebook groups, or wherever you can find people related to the services that you're providing. While this business might somewhat take time to build a client base, the earning potential is very significant. There is a lot of money to be made. Freelancers like in South Africa are making plus or minus $20,000 not dollars, they are making 20,000 rand, 20,000 rand minus or plus a month, depending with your niche and the demand as well, and also depending with your level of expertise. So yeah, with this one, consistency, quality service, and smart client acquisition is key, and it is very important. And side hustle number 4 is going to be Etsy business, or starting an Etsy store. I've always wanted to start an Etsy shop, but I find it quite intimidating. I find Etsy quite intimidating. So this one is an online marketplace for selling digital or physical, selling digital and physical products, and it is especially ideal for creatives and designers. So that is why I said I find this one intimidating, because you know what, I can never think of any creative thing out of my head that I can, sell to somebody else. But that is not a problem, because there are platforms like Creative Fabrica. If you want Creative Fabrica, you just go ahead in the link. Grab a link in my description. You will find that this is a marketplace of designers. You find everything, whatever that you need, everything that you can combine together to make a product that you can sell. You can find free products, you can find paid, you can find print on demand products, whatever. But for me, like I said, I cannot think of something that I can just make, and I cannot be creative to save my life. But if this one is something that you think you can do, something that you think you are able to create designs, can be wall art, printable planners, it can be bookmarks, it can be wedding invitations, it can be digital play, it can be digital templates, it can be just anything, any craft items, maybe you keychains, or you know how to make any stone stuff, like maybe marble stuff or wooden stuff. You can sell on Etsy. Even just clothes, you can sell on Etsy. So the key to success on Etsy is uploading consistent listings. You need to upload all the times on Etsy. You need to check up on your listings using the all amazing SEO optimized titles, descriptions, or offering designs or products that stand out on the market. So with Etsy, Etsy is a little bit intimidating, I won't lie to you. But if you think or believe that you can do this, this is for you. Go for it. Do not hesitate, because if you start earning, if you start making that money, you can start making a lot of money. And especially if you're a teacher, you're a teacher and you know how to design, kiddies stuff, kiddies learners guides, or whatever, those amazing things. Maybe you can even create a coloring book. Just go ahead and do that. It is so amazing, especially if you're a teacher and you're so creative, and you can think of a creative thing on top of your head. Go for it. Even like people who are artists, who are naturally artists, you know how to draw, you know how to, go for this one. And you know what? Many sellers on Etsy can earn from 1,000 rand to 20,000 rand per month. Yes, they are earning that much. And this depends obviously on how well their listing performs. And another thing to take note is Etsy does take a percentage of your revenue in fees, and it requires ongoing effort in product creation and store updates. So this is kind of, like a whole lot of work. Just with anything in life, you need to work for it. Just any business, just any side hustle, you need to work for it. And, if you're just somebody, like I said, you're a designer, you love DIY crafting, you love, all sorts of crafts and all that, painting and all that, just doing anything unique that you think somebody else is going to pay for, go for it, darling. You never know what you're missing. You know what? I talk too much. I feel like I have been rambling a lot. I don't know. But guys, these are 4 side hustles that I am saying you need to start right now in 2025. I have started my YouTube. I don't know where it's going, but I know where I want it to go. And I know that I'm loving this, because you know what? I am just here sharing with you stuff that I do, stuff that I love, or stuff that I think is going to help you. It doesn't mean that everything that I share here, everything that I come up with is something that I'm doing, but it is something that somebody else can do. Just know that every side hustle works. Everything that happens online works as long as you can do it, as long as you dedicate yourself, as long as you put in the effort, it works. So yeah, go ahead and try any side hustle. Just choose anything that you think is something that you really are going to enjoy, because you wouldn't want to do something just because everybody else is doing it, because I promise you, you are not going to like it. You're going to burn out. So yeah, go ahead and start right now. How many times have I told you to start, guys? I think, I don't know, like I'm losing count. I am. But anyways, bye until the next one.